Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel for my first actual wedding video in my, I guess, wedding series. I'm not like planning out a series, but I'm sure there'll be more videos. So today I am working on my bridesmaids proposal baskets. You may have seen this trend online of people like putting baskets together, something together to like ask their bridesmaids and maid of honor to be in the bridal party. So I am working on those today and I'm very excited. Okay, so for the bridesmaids proposal box part, I'm actually doing a basket. It's just like a neutral tan color, as you can see here, kind of like a straw material that I actually got from Walmart, and I will link it below along with everything else I show you. But I actually chose to go with this basket because it was more of a neutral color, so I could like put colorful things in it and it wouldn't clash. And on top of that, I just love baskets. And I think you can always find a use for them, so I wanted to give the girls something that they could, use in the future and use beyond just the purpose of asking them to be my bridesmaid. So I think to get started, I have some like tissue paper, like filler paper from the dollar store, and I was thinking of putting that in the bottom to kind of like give it some height. So I just got like 20 sheets of this, look, just from the dollar store. So $1 for 20 sheets, pretty good deal. So, oh yeah, so that gives it some really good height. As you can see, like most of the basket is like filled now. And then next, I'm gonna put, also from the dollar store, I got this like decorative shred filler, honestly $1 each, and I got them in our colors. They're not perfectly our colors, but it's close. It's like a deep red and a pink. So I think I'm just gonna put this in the basket and mix it all up and make it nice and pretty. Okay, so now we're all filled up. So the things I have to put in the basket, besides the basket of course. So for each girl, I got this really cute bracelet on Etsy that the box says, "I couldn't tie the knot without you." And then it's this little knotted bracelet, like a little knot, and then a little charm with the initial of the girl. So I got one for each girl, and then I got these super cute, also from Etsy, signs that say "I couldn't say I do without you," and it's our wedding date. It's kind of like a pre-save the date, I guess, but I just thought it was really cute. And then also from Etsy, so the shops, I'll link them, but the shops are, the bracelet is from a shop called A Clarity Gifts, I think. And the shop owner's like super nice. She actually sent me my own bracelet as well. It's like a little wedding gift. It was just super sweet. These little cards are Firefly Paper Studio. And then finally, these personalized wine glasses. Glare is a little bad over the window, that you see they have like a cursive name of each girl, and these are from Southern Market Chic. I've ordered from her a bunch of times. Her stuff is awesome. So I just got obviously the same little card for each girl, but then each bracelet has the initial for the girl, and then each wine glass has the name of each girl on it. And then finally, it's still something I made. And I'll show you guys the footage in just a second, but I made homemade champagne gummy bears in both pink and purple, just because I thought the colors looked good together. But I bought the molds off Amazon. It was super cheap, and then I got tiny little mason jars to put them in. and it's super simple. It's literally just champagne, gelatin, sugar, and then 1 drop of gel food coloring. So as part of my Bridesmaids proposal baskets, I'm using this Prosecco to make a recipe I found online for champagne gummy bears. So I'll link everything, but I bought these trays. It's a star, heart, 2 gummy bears, and then there's a seashell one, and it comes with these this dropper and actually another one. So I just rinsed these out, and I got a spatula as well to help get rid of excess. But you'll basically just need 3 standard packets of unflavored gelatin. It's about 2 tablespoons. And then 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and then half a cup of the champagne of your choosing. I just chose the Prosecco. One of the things I had read was to bloom your gelatin by just pouring in the champagne mixture. I'm just using a small saucepan here, and then just taking the gelatin and like scattering it in, and then letting it sit for 5 minutes to like harden a little bit. Apparently that's supposed to help it be less cloudy, so I'll just set a timer for 5 minutes and we'll wait for that. I can like, okay, I just set the timer and look, you can see it growing around the corner. Like it says it blooms, and it actually does. That's pretty neat. So while the gelatin is hardening, I'll just show you guys what I got to put the gummy bears in. I just got these little containers by the brand Ball. They're just the mini jars. They're 4 ounces. Just to clarify though, they're not made for canning. They're definitely just for like storing things. So I just thought they were so cute, if I could open it, for like storing the little gummy bears in. They're just little containers, so hopefully that'll be a good size. So the gelatin has bloomed and it looks really wonky. So now we're just going to put this on a low heat. Keep in mind the heat's been off, and then gradually whisk in the sugar, and then when everything is all dissolved, we're just going to take it off and pour it into the molds. Alright, so we're on low heat, and I'm just whisking a little bit because, as you noticed, the gelatin has completely dissolved. There's just a few little pieces that are still dissolving, so once that is all dissolved, we'll go ahead and add the sugar. Alright, so I think everything's dissolved. Sugar was added. I think the gelatin's gone. You can see the color's like a basic tan. So I actually found some food coloring. So I think I'm going to add some food coloring real quick. Ooh, now we got this pretty like pinkish red color. Wow, that was literally 1 drop of gel food coloring, you guys. Okay, so I think this is all set. So now I'm pretty sure I just need to pour it over the mold, and then we're good to go. Alright, so I filled up the whole heart tray and the whole star tray, and now they're just gonna go in the fridge for about 15 minutes to set up. Okay, so they're out of the fridge, and as you can see, I messed up because look, the bubbles just like set as they were. So maybe I should have like tapped to the tray or something, but look, I can stab them and they're like all bouncy. I should probably try one actually. Okay, I just took one out and it wasn't hard to get out at all, but look, it's like a perfect little gummy. It smells like alcohol a little bit. That's not bad. Like, I guess I thought the flavor was gonna be stronger because it smelled like so strong. Not so strong, but it smelled like pretty strong of alcohol. So I guess I thought it would taste more, but it really doesn't. Okay, I'm excited now. So the only thing with these is they don't have like all the chemicals that the gummy bears you buy in the store have, which is a good thing. It's just gelatin, champagne, and sugar. So they really don't stay well at room temperature, the directions say. So I'm just gonna pop these out into the little containers and then put them in the fridge and they'll be good to go. So that is everything, I think. Oh, no. I got each girl a little card. I'll show you guys, it's so cute. I actually found these at TJ Maxx. And it says, I couldn't say I do without you, with a little bow on the wedding shoe, but it's cool because this is like actually like 3D, like it's sticking up from the paper. So I just got one of those cards for each girl. And now let's put it all together. Yay, so this is the final box with the filler paper, the I do card, the wine glass with the cursive name, the little card, and the I couldn't tie the knot without you. See, it's like a cute little knot with the initial charm. And then finally the champagne gummy bears. Ooh, I have this, I just realized I also bought this from the dollar store, this like silver little filler. Oh, I should use that. All right, final box with the little silver stuff in it. Yay! So now I'm just gonna repeat the process for the rest of my boxes and then give them to all my bridesmaids and my maid of honor too. And hopefully they like them, and I'm so excited. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this little video, and I'm so excited to keep showing you more of the wonderful wedding magic. Bye!